Imagine a world where your video game items are truly yours, items you can trade, sell, or keep forever, without crazy fees eating into your fun. But what if one project is quietly revolutionizing this for millions of gamers? Today, we're diving into ImmutableX and its token IMX. Stick around to uncover its secrets and why it might just change gaming forever. You won't believe the partnerships brewing. Let's start with a quick story. Back in the early days of blockchain gaming, players faced a nightmare: slow transactions on Ethereum and sky-high gas fees that made simple trades feel like a chore. Enter ImmutableX, a clever Layer 2 solution built on Ethereum. It's like a superhighway for digital assets, especially NFTs in games. At its core, ImmutableX solves those problems by using zero-knowledge rollups, tech that bundles thousands of transactions into one, making everything fast, cheap, and secure. No more waiting or paying a fortune just to mint or trade an in-game sword or character. Founded in 2018, it's grown into a powerhouse with over 700 funded games in its ecosystem, raising billions to fuel Web3 gaming. What makes it special? Its dual setup: the original ImmutableX for high-speed NFT trading, and the new zkEVM for easier developer tools. Plus, it's carbon neutral, so you're gaming green. This isn't just tech, it's a vision to make digital ownership real for everyone, turning gamers into true owners in vast virtual worlds. I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. This video is just for educational purposes only. Now, does ImmutableX have investing potential? Absolutely, if Web3 gaming takes off. With partnerships like Ubisoft launching big titles on the platform and tools like Immutable Passport drawing in millions of players, it's positioned for growth. It tackles real issues in a booming industry. Think billions in gaming revenue shifting to blockchain. But remember, crypto is volatile. Potential comes from adoption and innovation, not guarantees. I'm trying to grow this channel and help others like me. If my video helped you, like and subscribe for more simply explained and high-quality videos. Also, leave a comment to boost my motivation. Lately, it has been hard to keep going without feedback. Love you guys. See you in the next video.